Hello everyone. Today I'm going to share with you a reversal strategy. That reversal strategy is based on the 5-minute expiry time. That reversal strategy is based on the wave analysis. To understand the waves in the chart, the impulse waves, correction waves, this strategy is totally based on these impulse and correction waves. In the impulse and correction waves, we need to identify the break of structure waves. So break of structure wave, if you identify, then you will get the level where you will draw, and then you will wait. After sometimes when market reach that level and break or close above that or under that level, then you need to enter for the trade. First of all, we need to understand that which is the break of a structure wave and which are the impulse waves and which are the correction waves. How many candles we can count in a correction wave, how many candles we can count in an impulse wave. So that structure is the base of this strategy. For example, we saw that the price is in a downtrend first, then it's moving down. When the price from top to bottom it's moving, it creates high to low. Now low we will count when we will see that the price is moving in up direction. For example, the price minimum 3 candles moved up, then we will count this is a low. After that, if you see the price is falling down and breaking this area, price is falling down and breaking this area. Now, however, it's moving down. Once it breaks this area, so we can add the label here that will be lower high. So the lower low will be decided when the 3 candles move up. So for example, if the 3 candles are moving up in a direction, then the lower low is defined now. This is the confirm, that is lower low. Again, if you see the price is falling down and it's breaking the previous low, so now it is defined that this is a lower high again, and then again price is at the lower low. But if you see the minimum 3 candles in up direction, then you decide that is a lower low. If the 3 candles are not 2 candles, 1 candle, green candle you found, don't define that this is a lower low. But if you find the 3 candles, then it will be lower low. So the correction candles minimum required 3. Correction wave, 3 minimum candles we need. In the impulse, it can be the 7, it can be the 8, it can be the 10, 12, 15, whatever you found. But the impulse wave will be end when you find the price is falling. We will never define the low until the 3 candles move up. So for example, in the candle shape, the price is moving down in a sequence. So for example, this is a movement of the CHoCH and the price is in a sequence, and now it will be count over high to low, and then you see the 3 candles minimum. If they are in a size smaller or bigger, whatever the size is this one, So we can see that this is the correct formation of this movement, high to low, then low to lower high position. So this is our high, this is our low, and this is our lower high. Now, in a downtrend, you will find again price will fall down, and if it's falling down, so the three candles, if you again find, now it is confirmed that this is your next wave, which is moving down. This is the wave area where sometimes directly it will be break, sometimes there will be one candle stay, for example, on this support you found there is a one stay, and then price is falling down. So it will be count a whole wave. This will be your whole wave, a correction, impulse wave. So this is your impulse wave. Our strategy is based on these waves. Which waves we are finding, that is our break of structure wave. So the same structure you will find for the uptrend. For example, price is falling up, rising up, and then it's falling down again, and then it's rising up, and then it's falling, and then it's rising. When it's moving up, so here it's your low, and then this will be called as your high. In case when the three candles move down, then we will define this is a high. And when the three candles move up minimum, then we will define this is our higher low. Again, price is moving up, breaking this structure, then it will be our impulse wave. In the impulse wave, then you will find the higher high in condition when the three candles you will find in a downward. So then you will define that this is a higher high. Again, price is moving up, minimum three candles moving up, so it will define the higher low again. So now we are not saying if there is a higher high, but if we found that the three candles moving down, definitely if the price will fall down, then we will count this is a complete wave. That will be our higher high again. So this is the structure of the wave in a downtrend or in an uptrend. Sometimes you will find the structure will be breaking. For example, the price is moving down, the little bit price is moving up. The next time price is not moving too much, but it's moving down a little bit, and then at the similar low, and sometimes upper than the similar low. So price can move up again, and then price falling down and breaking the low. Again, can price move up? So these waves sometimes you will find in the market. These are the disturbed wave. So we are calling this is a correction ranging market. So this type of market is a ranging market. But the break of structure wave, which I'm calling the BOS, you will find in a downtrend, you will find in an uptrend, you will find in a ranging market also. So we need to identify the break of a structure wave, and our strategy is totally based on the break of a structure wave. So after understanding the downtrend movement, uptrend movement, and the ranging movement, now we are moving towards the understanding about the break of a structure wave and how it will be defined. Let's see, I'm going to show you. For example, the price is rising here. This is our reference. The price is rising. And then for the correction, price is falling again here. So it can be minimum 3 candles, maximum 4 candles, 5 candles. Or maximum until this low is not breaking. So whatever the candles, if you find here, maybe sometimes 6, 7 find, no problem. And then price is moving up. So it's rising price. When it's rising, it's breaking this area, which is our resistance. So when the price is breaking the previous high, this is our previous high, which is breaking at this stage. So after breakout and one candle is closed up, after breakout, minimum one candle closed up anywhere, it will be called the break of structure. So break of structure means that this is the resistance which is broken by the impulse wave. So the break of structure is happening here. Now this wave is called the break of structure wave. So in the break of structure wave, the price is falling down, for example, and it's too much fallen now. For example, it's falling down, 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 down here. Before the falling down, we will identify that this is a lower wick support. Break of structure happens. Now we quote this is our level. In the candles, I'm going to define when the price is moving up, you can see the price is moving up, and moving up. Just to understand, sometimes there will be the dojis, small candles, and red candles included in this wave. For your understanding, just it's moving down now. So this is your three candles moving down, and now the price trying to move in an up direction, and there is a wick, and price is moving up and moving up and moving up. Finally, it confirmed that the break of structures happen. It's moving up, for example, one time more. Now we are going to define which is the level which can be traded for the next time. So you define this level. Now, suddenly, if you find that the price is moving down and it's not breaking anywhere and it's moving down, sometimes you will find that one candle is moving up, two candles moving up, but it is the flow of the move market is at the downward side and it's moving down. So for example, price again moved down. Now the two conditions will happen. For example, it will close on above the support of this support. So this support, I can quote, this is the break of structure wave support. Break of structure wave support. So this is the wave which is confirms me the break of structure, and the break of structure lower wick is my break of structure wave support. And if the price is touching, if the price is breaking, then now it's confirmed that this will be my another level, which is resistance of this break of structure wave. So I identified now this as a level. So if this level is breaking, the price is moving up, so you can expect market is moving in an up direction for 5 minutes. So you have to place a buy for 5 minutes. Even it's breaking or even it's close above the support. So from the next candle, you can place a call option for 5 minutes, then your entry will be closed in a profit. For some time, the price is moving up, moving down, and finally again breaking your upper resistance level. Now, again, the price will fall down for 5 minutes. You can sell at this area. This area you can sell here. This area you can buy here. So the level which we are taking, first of all, we are confirming that this is the break of a structure wave or not. So if this is a confirmation that this is the break of a structure wave, so the lower wick of the break of a structure, the upper wick of the break of a structure is your level. When these levels will be broken, the market will reverse back for 5-minute minimum. You easily can enter for the 5-minute expiry trade, and then you will win the money. So the same structure I'm going to show you on the chart, that how we can take the chart signals and we can trade. It's very simple and easy. 5-minute strategy, 5-minute expiry is a profitable trading strategy. So let's, on the chart, I'm going to show you how you can identify. For example, look at here, that we are here, and now we are looking that this is the price, which is slightly moving down, moving up, moving down, moving up. So as we defined the minimum 3 candles, if it's moving up, so we will take as a correction wave. So if I define the waves, then how it will be look like. For example, it's price moving down, so 3 candles moving up from here, then it's moving down, then it's moving up, then it's moving down, and then it's moving up, and then it's moving finally down. So if I can take these things, that this wave is my break of structure wave because it's a breaking here. This wave is my break of structure wave. This wave is my break of structure wave. So if this wave is the break of a structure wave, so I'm not immediately taking the trade. If you see that, if I draw the level here at the bottom. So with the last bottom, when it will be broke, then you will see the 5 minutes it will move up. So this is the level, our last break of a structure wave, and then it's a support. And when price moving up, we are waiting when the price will reverse back and it's breaking or it's close. So even it's a closing, you are placing the 5-minute trade, you are in a profit. If you're waiting for the breakout and then you are placing the trade for 5 minutes, it's a win. So as I told that the break of a structure, you can take in a downtrend, in an uptrend, and also in a ranging market. So when we draw this level, we took a trade from here, and if we combine that this is the another break of a structure wave. So here, this is not a break of a structure. So totally we are counting this wave is a break of a structure wave. So, and then price moving down and then it's moving up. So this will be another break of a structure wave. The price is moving down, then moving up, then moving down. So this is our another break of a structure wave. So the break of a structure is very important for the taking the trade on the support and resistance. So some more trades I'm going to show here. See, now we had understood that this is the break of a structure wave here. This is our break of a structure wave, okay? And this wave break of a structure, we are taking the support here, we are taking the resistance here. So this resistance you will take at the top of the wick, bottom of the wick. When the top of the wick is breaking and you enter for the 5-minute trade, your trade is win. This is the another break of a structure wave. So this is your another trade. When you will take the resistance level here, when it's breaking, and then you will enter for the 5-minute, it will be your win. And now, when in the running market, when the price is moving up, so this will be your break of a structure wave. Then this will be your break of a structure wave. Then this will be your break of a structure wave. So where is the break of a structure? So here it will be our one support for the next time. Whoever will second support for the next time, the third support or next time, the fourth support for the next time, and then as on, we will draw the levels, and when price will touch and break the levels, then we will trade. So in the past, I'm going to show some examples. Here we can see in the ranging market how it's working. In the ranging market, it's working perfectly. So this is a wave which starts from here, and we can see that the price is breaking this area. So this is our break of a structure wave. Now this wave is a break of a structure. As I told you that this lower and this upper wick we will take as a support and resistance, and when I will take the support and resistance, you will see this is a support, and then this will be my resistance level. When this support is breaking here and we will enter for the 5-minute trade, it's a winning trade. And when this support resistance is breaking and I'm going to trade for the 5 minutes after breakout, or even if it's closing under, so it's my win. This is my win. Then inside there are some waves which are the break of structure waves. For example, now if I'm taking the wave here, taking the wave here, taking the wave here, so this is not a breakout any. This is not a break of a structure wave, not a break of a structure wave, not a break of a structure. But here there is a break of a structure wave. So this is the wave, break of a structure wave, which is breaking this structure, and the price is moving up. So this is my level and this is my level. Now see the price when it's moving up and it's breaking this structure, we will enter for the trade for 5 minutes. It will be our win trade. This is the win trade. And we are using the break of a structure for the one time only, not for the 2 time. And sometimes when you will fail, then you can open the next entry at the same time for the 5-minute expiry. It means, for example, the first entry you are failing, it's your loss. The second entry, immediately you can enter for the 5-minute again for the recovering of their loss. So, for example, here there is a break of a structure which is, I think, not working. Here, I saw that this is not working because this is this break of a structure. And here, this break of a structure worked here. It gave us a profit. But now this break of a structure after breaking, it's not working. So sometimes when you find that this wave, again, there is another break of a structure. For example, this is a wave which making the new break of a structure. So when it's making the new break of a structure, this will not work for you. Then the confusing point here, how we can identify, now I will take a trade here or not take a trade here. See, this is your break of a structure, it's a confirming, okay? And then it's parallel moving up, again, there is a break of a structure wave. So this is your another break of a structure wave. If you are taking the trade here and this support for 5 minutes, it's a win. You are winning this trade because this wave is a break of a structure wave. And now this wave support, which is the break of a structure wave, and now here you can see this another break of a structure. This wave is now confirming is a break of a structure wave. So if you find that the contradiction of the 2 break of a structure waves, then this entry will not work. So that point is a very confusing. You need to practice on it. When there is a wave which is called the break of a structure wave, and another break of a structure wave is breaking your entry, that time you don't need to enter the trade. That time it will never work for you. And some more examples which I'm going to show you here. For example, you can see here, this is the break of a structure wave here. Price is moving up. We're taking, it's a wave which is the break of a structure wave, another wave which is the break of a structure wave. So now this support is my break of a structure wave. And I'm taking the support, and where the price is breaking the support, you can see here. When you're taking this trade, you just to understand that is there any other break of a structure wave. For example, if yes, then don't trade on this one. For example, here you can see this is the wave another, which is the break of a structure. Now this is another break of a structure. So first we will trade on this wave. When it's breaking here, then we will trade here. It's breaking, and then we will trade 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's our win trade. This is your win trade. And now you can see this is the another break of a structure wave here. So now this time this structure will not work. So the break of a structure will work the recent waves. For example, this is your recent, and the recent, if it's breaking, this will be called the recent. But for example, this is your break of a structure wave, and the price is coming like this way. Now this is the another break of a structure wave. This is the another. So this time it will work sometimes and sometimes this will not work. We need the immediately the recent breakout without any break of another structure. So this is will be our recent break of a structure. But in this case, this is a break of a structure is a past now. This is a new break of a structure now. This is a new. So when the new break of a structure forms, it is a sign that price wants to continue. It will never reverse from here. Yes, maybe 1 minute, 2 minutes, it will stay, but it will not reverse for the 5 minutes mostly. So you need to understand this point. This is a very important point. So on this JBB USD, I have shown the some examples. On the Euro USD, I'm going to show you some examples here. You can see this is the very important point here. So as I'm telling that this is the break of a structure wave. Now, how I can identify this? Because the price is moving down and then it's moving up and then it's falling down. So this is breaking. It will be that this is my break of a structure wave. When it's a break of a structure wave, so this point and this point will be my support and resistance. So I'm going to draw the support and resistance here at the top of the level and the bottom of the level. And you will see that when the price is breaking this one, you are winning the 5-minute trade. When the price is touching this one and you are winning the 5-minute trade. Here. And then, for example, the price is moving up here. This will be your another break of a structure wave. Here, this will be your another break of a structure wave. So now, this is the past one. This is a recent one. This BOS is a past, and this BOS is a recent one. So this BOS, when it's breaking, then you will identify that this is also working here for you. When it's the breakout, we will enter. So it means that the one break of a structure, another break of a structure, one break of a structure breakout, and another break of a structure support is working as a confirmation. But again, if you see that the price is here, making you the another, this is also your break of structure, for example, here. Now, this wave is a break of a structure wave, which is the recent. And when this high is touching, it's giving you the 5-minute entry. Again, if you see, this is another break of a structure. So this point will be your another resistance level. And when price is touching directly, it is moving down. So in this area, you are finding so many entries. One entry is this one, another entry. You are finding this one, another entry. You are finding this one here. So all these things you are finding here. And this is the new break of a structure here also. It's the price is breaking here. And now you can see the price, you have a 3 break of structures, 1, 2, 3 support levels. So you need to identify where you need to enter. This will be your entry and exit points. Now you can see this is another break of a structure wave here. For example, this is counted as a break of a structure. Directly price moving up, then it's moving down, and directly it's breaking. So you can see this is a support level, and which is the price when touches the support or breaking the support, we can enter for the 5 minutes, it will be win. So this is the strategy about the reversals of the break of a structure. Here you can identify, there are so many examples here also. The price is moving down here, and then moving up, then it's moving down. It means this wave is the break of a structure wave. We are taking the support here at the bottom of the wick, and bottom of the wick when it's breaking, it's a break, and then we enter for the 5 minutes a win. This wave is your another break of a structure because it's breaking, but one candle more we need below this one. So that's why we are not trading this one. If we trade this one, also it's a winning trade, but it is not a break of a structure wave. So we are trading for one time here, this wave. For example, here you can see, this is the another year wave, which is the break of a structure. This is the wave, which is the break of a structure here. Now, this wave is a break of a structure, for example, that this is our support, and then this is our resistance. So when this resistance, you need respecting its price moving down 5 minutes, you can enter for the trade. It is up to you. If you are waiting for the breakout, you need to trade the breakouts. If you are waiting for the resistance also, then you can enter for the resistance trades also. So this is the main strategy which you need to research and identify and trade for the 5 minute expiry. First of all, you try search in the chart and try in the demo with a money management system, and then show me in the group if you are right and everything is going right. Then you can try in the real account, but directly don't go to the real account, because sometimes what we are understanding, it's an art. And try to confirm yourself from the mentor, from the members, that what you need and which strategy you require for the trading. Thank you so much for the paying attention on me. Thank you.